Beyond typing, the part of typing.com that goes past typing mechanics into many other digital skills students will need is getting its biggest rebuild ever. Not patches, not a few new lessons, a full ground-up reconstruction of the units you already know, with deeper grade coverage, more lessons, and a whole new way of teaching. Here's what's coming for 2026 to 2027. First up, digital citizenship. 40 brand new lessons scaled across 4 dedicated grade bands. K through 2 starts with the foundations: kindness, empathy, respect, and basic digital safety. Grades 3 through 5 introduce digital footprints, identity, and healthy online relationships. Middle schoolers tackle the harder stuff: cyberbullying, misinformation, and media manipulation. And high schoolers go deep on data privacy, propaganda detection, and career-ready digital ethics. Next, Technology Foundations gets its own dedicated home, pulled out of the old digital citizenship bundle, so the real tech skills finally have room to breathe. We're talking logins and keyboards in the early grades, all the way up to cloud architecture, networking, and systematic troubleshooting for high schoolers. Then there's word processing, and this one's one of the biggest leaps in the entire rebuild. It's taught inside a fully simulated Google Docs interface, built right into typing.com. The platform teaches the skill, watches every student perform it, and grades the work automatically. No PDFs, no submissions. No more opening a stack of student documents on a Sunday night. Just real mastery data every time you check the report. A companion spreadsheets unit is in development next, using the exact same model. AI literacy is 3.5 times larger than before. 39 lessons covering grade 3 all the way through high school. Machine learning, neural networks, ethics, careers, and hands-on prompt engineering practice in a safe, guided environment. No open chatbot access, no free-form text entry, just bounded, age-appropriate AI learning aligned to 8 major standards frameworks, including AI for K-12, CSTA 2025, ISTE, and more. If your state or district has an AI literacy requirement, there's an extremely good chance this unit covers it. Cross-curricular content gets 2 big new units. Worlds and the Arts covers social studies, geography, health, arts and music, world languages, and life skills. STEM covers science and math. Both are grade-specific. A 9th grader sees 9th grade content, a 4th grader sees 4th grade content. Every keystroke does double duty. Tying it all together, nearly every lesson, outside of cross-curricular, now opens with a fully narrated video intro. In our new worlds, Pixel Kingdom and Princess Adventures, those videos feature a mentor and mentee character walking through the concept together in Socratic dialogue. In all other themes, the videos are completely redone with a single narrator, specifically tuned to each grade level. Either way, it's dramatically more engaging than text on a screen. It's all live right now in the Beyond Typing 2026-2027 preview group in your curriculum section. Student progress carries over when these become the default in July. So head in, explore, and start assigning.